Good evening, everyone. This is Blue Texas Tornado Scratcher back at you. I have a friend with me tonight. His name is Aaron, and we're going to do a battle here. We're going to see who wins the most. So let's wish Aaron good luck, and let's see what happens. We're going to switch. All right. I got Lucky Dogs, and he's got 10 eggs. So we're going to start off. Get one ticket. Okay. My ticket number is 75, and the odds on it is 1 and 4.99. His is 121, and his odd is 1,490. Right. Okay, Aaron, you can go first.
Okay. 15. And nothing.
Okay. Okay, I got a Bruce here. Let's see what we can get. Let's see if we can get another Bruce. Come on, Bruce. And nothing for me.
Okay.
And his friend Marie is keeping score for us. Okay, just read your number off.
All right, this one's 122.
Okay.
That's what I needed last time. Oh, look at that.
10x.
10x, awesome. Let's see what you got.
$20.
$20.
Ooh.
Awesome. We're going to put the winning over here by Marie. Okay, Molly. Let's see what we can do. Well, we don't have a Molly there. We sure don't have a Molly there. Nope.
That one fooled me.
Yeah, no Molly. Okay.
All right, 123.
Come on, Aaron.
Nothing that time.
Okay. All right, I got a Charlie. Nothing there.
Just
I know
keep
it looked
fooling
like it,
Yeah,
didn't
they
it?
look like it.
What is our number?
124.
Oh, I didn't even call my number.
It was Charlie, right?
Yeah, it was Charlie, but I didn't call it the number. It's okay.
All right, nothing on that one either.
Okay, I got Buddy, and my number on it is 78. Come on, Buddy. Yeah, I need something here. What is that?
Oh, that's a buddy, huh?
Is that a Buddy?
It looks like it to me.
It is a Buddy. I got $1. No, $10.
Ooh.
Oh, look out.
All right, 125.
Is that right? Is it a Buddy? I cannot see.
Yeah, I think it was.
Yes.
All right, nothing on that one.
All right, I got Sadie, and my number is 79. Let's see what we got here. This is fun. I like doing this. Make it more interesting. Nada.
Okay, 126. Oh, winner. I think it was $1. Yep, $1.
All right, got $1 for Aaron. That's awesome. Okay, Rocky. No Rocky.
All right, 127.
Okay, I got a Rufus, roof dog, roof roof. That's my husband's nickname. 81 is the ticket number. Let me get a Rufus over here. Oh, come here, baby. Why is it like that? Well, I didn't get no Rufus. Man, that's hard to tell them dogs, you know.
All right, 128.
Another buddy. Maybe I'll get some on.
No, no.
Okay, I got another buddy, a number 82. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. No, I don't have no buddy.
All right, 129. Nothing there.
I got Russ. Oh, ticket number is 83. Oh, look, I got a Russ. I got another Russ.
Ooh, double Russ.
83.
1, 2. I got $2.
All right, 130. Close.
Close with no bananas. Okay, we got another buddy. No, we got a Charlie today, and the number is 84. Another buddy. Come here, Charlie. No Charlies.
131.
I'm shocked that Dina's not in here. She usually come in here and start crying. It's Adrian's and Sarah's.
All right, nope.
Okay, Dino, number 85. Let's see what Dino will do for me. That ain't Dino. Nope.
Okay, number 132.
Spot, number 86. Aaron, we're gonna have to start winning something
No,
here.
I'm feeling the next one.
You feeling it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nothing on that. Spot didn't do nothing for me.
All right, 133 is it.
That's it. All right.
All right. All right, he can edit that out.
Number 87, and we got Cuckoo. I got a
That's it.
Coco.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's see what we got, Marie. We got $1.
I'll take it.
We sure will take it.
Is it another?
All right, 134.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a winner.
Oh, look at there. Was the wrong
I
feeling.
was one off. Let's see what it was. $1.
Hey, $1 is $1. Okay, I got Rufus again. Look out. Rufus, you gonna do me good, boy? Really? Rufus? Where are you? Not on there. Oh, that was a number 88, guys. Sorry about that.
All right, 135.
Aaron's doing better than I am on the number.
All right, nope.
Nada. I got Sophie. Let's see. And the number is 89. I keep on forgetting the dang number.
No, yep. Is that?
Yep. $1.
Oh.
Give me $1. This is fun, Aaron. We're gonna do this again.
All right, 136.
on a higher number.
$2.
$2. $2.
Hey, break the bank's agreement. No.
Alright, I got number 90. Lola. Lola, I guess you say. Lola. Every time I scratch one, it had 500 on it. I'm thinking it's fine. Nothing on that one.
All right, 137. No.
Dupe. 91. Come on, dupe.
That looks like a dude.
It looks
It's a
like a
different
dupe.
breed of dog.
Oh yeah, that's Rocky. Nothing. Nothing. Oh my goodness.
All right, 138.
Getting pretty close to the end.
Nothing on that one.
I got Rufus again. I wish my husband would let me win some money. Nope. Is that a Rufus?
Oh, let's close that area.
It sure was close, wasn't it?
All
Oh,
right.
that was a number 92, guys. Boy.
And 139. That's one. Then we got one.
All right.
One is one.
One is one. Pesky one. Alright, I got Spike, number 83. Go. Had a little problem there, guys. Oh, I don't have no puppy over here.
All right, number 140. I thought that was it. Nope.
Spot. Maria's throwing her pen, y'all. Just telling you. Spot, and the number is 94. Come on, Spot. No Spot.
All right, number 141. All right, nothing.
I got Buddy, and the number is 95. No Buddy.
There's got to be one in here.
Yeah, it's got to be. We got three, and how many we got left?
Four.
Four. We gotta at least
Alright.
have one more.
Yeah. All right, 142. Oh, nope.
Okay, I got Rocky here, and the number is 96. It's not Rocky. Nada. Of course, the dogs you don't get, you see 500 on there.
All right, 143.
Okay, I got a Bruce here, and the number is 97. Come on, Bruce. Show me some love, boy. You ain't gonna show me no love.
Right down to the last
Down
two.
two.
All right, 144.
Come on, Aaron.
It's one of these two. Nope.
Okay, I got a Molly, and the number is 98. No Molly. Okay, Aaron, one more.
All right, this one's it.
All right.
Okay, 145. Oh, nothing.
Aw. Okay, I got a Duke and the number is 99. Okay, I didn't get nothing. So let's see what we got. I do believe Aaron beat me. He got 24. I got 12, 13, 14. Well, he did beat me. But at
So-
least you almost made your money back.
Yeah, I almost made it back.
But we need to do it again. Anyway, y'all hit like and subscribe and give us thumbs up. Good night.